Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our third matchup for the quarterfinals. Live na live po dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Ito po ang bakbakang ACC Green Serpents and the UNC Greyhounds. And of course, makakasama niyo po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para sa maaksyong laban po ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan, talagang kaabang-abang din itong matchup ng Green Serpents and Greyhounds because again, this is a knockout quarterfinal. So, winner or go home ang ating lagay ngayon. So, yan, dalawang powerhouse team ulit ang maghaharap dito sa ating hapon na ito. Again, we are live here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium and also live on our media partner, One Media TV 48 Naga, and also sa Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang po tayo kasi maya-maya magsha-shoutout po kami.
Ayan nga, magandang laban po ang ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya talagang ready na po ang ating ACC Green Serpents as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Dahil nga nasabi mo kanina, Rick, na this is a do or die game. Kung sino man po ang mananalo dito, mapupunta na po sa ating semi-final round habang ang isa po ay mamamaalam na sa kanilang journey dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, it's not a good elimination round for them but still, it's a good matchup na pinakita nila during that round. At ngayon naman, dito sa ating quarterfinals, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating ACC Green Serpents para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito and knowing na sila yung ating defending champion dito sa ating juniors basketball. And to hear an update at kung sino nga ba makakasama ngayon ng ating courtside reporter na si Kyla, alamin natin yan. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good afternoon, Bicolania. At sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin, live at One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game today, ACC Green Serpents versus the UNC Greyhounds. At para malaman ang kanilang preparasyon para sa knockout game na ito, we have their assistant coach, Coach Buragay. Coach, good afternoon, Coach. Coach, kwento mo naman po ano po ba ang inyong naging preparasyon dahil alam naman natin na this is a knockout game at kailangan prepare tayo dito.
Yes po. Unang-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako kasi nakarating kami sa sa quarterfinals, no? Kahit mahirap yung dinaanan namin ng elimination. Yung preparation namin po ngayon, mas nag-focus po talaga kami sa defense, tsaka lagi namin na-advisean yung mga bata na huwag magsawang dumepensa, huwag magsawang makinig sa coach, sunurin yung sistema, focus lang po sa kawat and enjoy lang.
Coach, since we know na kayo ang defending champion, how do you manage the pressure dahil ito nga, knockout game?
Ayun nga po, no, sinasabi ko sa mga bata kasi sinasabi namin sa mga bata na wag tayo susuko kasi defending champion, kumbaga meron na tayong may titulo tayo. Siguro may karapatan tayo talaga, dapat ibigay natin yung lahat ng best natin para para sa larong to.
And lastly, Coach, since marami din ang nanonood at sumusuporta sa ACC Green Serpents, pakiimbitahan po ang ating mga viewers na patuloy kayong suporta.
Papasalamat po ako sa unang-una sa eskwela namin, sa Amando Cope College, kay Coach Alter, sa mga supporters namin sa school, sa family ko, sa family ni Coach Badong, sa mga family ng mga players, tsaka syempre kay Lord, thank you po. Tsaka syempre sa asawa ko po.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck. There you have it. That is the assistant coach of the ACC Junior Green Serpents, Coach Boraga. Ito po muli si Kyla Casulia. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that interview. So according to their assistant head coach, talagang kailangan ditong depensahan itong title na hawak ng ating ACC Green Serpents because kahit balibalik na rin man dito ang sitwasyon, sila pa rin ang may hawak ng title. So they have a lot of pressure on their side because of that title. So their preparations right now is to defend that at talunin itong UNC Greyhounds upang makakuha ng slot on our Final Four position. Now, on the other side of things, I think handang-handa na rin dito ang courtside reporter na si KZ and kilala rin natin kung sino ang kasama niya. Hi KZ, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. A blazing afternoon, Bicolandia. Today, it's more than just a game. It's a battle for survival as the UNC Greyhounds face off against the ACC Green Serpents. The question isn't just who will win, but who will rise above the pressure, the odds, and the roar of this quarterfinal storm. This is Casey Anchoquia reporting on the side of UNC Greyhounds as they face off against the ACC Green Serpents. It's a do-or-die game, kaya naman alamin natin kung ano ang naging paghahanda ng team at kung paano nila balak harapin ang hamon ngayong laban. Joining me now is Coach Alvin of the Junior Greyhounds. So, hello Coach, what's the one thing that the team can do today that will have a lasting impact on their championship journey?
Siguro yung napag-usapan namin sa team, their commitment in playing this game, and if ever naman hanggang sa championship. Kasi sa commitment nila, andon yung lahat ng sakripisyong binibigay ng players, yung hardships during trainings, yung pagbabalance pa ng schedule sa academics nila. So yun, yung commitment.
So, with this being a knockout game, what message did you give your players to keep their confidence and focus in?
Well, I told my players to just give their best, and tingnan natin kung anong pwede mangyari. No pressure at all. Just enjoy the game, and at the same time, iseryoso lang nila yung ginagawa. And
Lastly, Coach, any message for the fans and supporters of the UNC Greyhounds?
well, for our sixth man, thank you very much for all the support that you've been giving the team. At saka sa Bucal, yun talagang totoong spirit. Winning isn't everything. Kahit natatalo yung team, na andyan pa rin. Special mention ko rin yung aming pep squad. Sa lahat ng games namin, palaging naandyan. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you so much, Coach. And now, narinig na natin si Coach Alvin of the UNC Greyhounds. They are now ready. Naipakita ang kanilang lakas at puso sa laban na ito. So, stay tuned as we bring you the action right here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, handang-handa na po ang ating UNC Greyhounds for this matchup against the defending champion ACC Green Serpents. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start this thrilling matchup of the ACC and the UNC. At napakinggan na nga po natin ang dalawang kupunan na ito dahil handang-handa na nga po sila dahil katulad nga ng sinabi natin, this will be a do-or-die game. Kung kaya naman, hindi na pwede yung ating ranking during the elimination round dahil kung manalo ka man ngayon dito, pupunta ka na sa semi-final round. And for our losing team, talagang napakaganda pa rin nung kanilang ipapakitang laro ngayong hapon na ito.
Talagang give your best shot para dito sa ating knockout quarterfinals because again, itong dalawang kupunan na ito gustong makuha ang slot on that final four. So aabangan natin kung ano ang ipapakitang bagong game plan and adjustment for both teams. ACC Green Serpents versus the UNC Greyhounds, yan ang tututukan natin dito all throughout this game.
And yan na nga po ang ating first five on the side of the ACC Green Serpents and the first five of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, we're really excited dahil kung kanina nakita na po natin ang pagpasok ng NCF Junior Cubs at ng ating Daraga National High School sa laban ng semi-final round. Ngayon, aabangan natin kung sino nga ba sa ACC at UNC ang papasok at nakikipagbakbakan sa ating Final Four. Now, in just a few seconds, the players are all ready and the cheering of both sides talagang ramdam na po natin ngayon. At nasabi mo nga Rick kanina, para sa ating mga team bahay, live na live po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages, sa ating Bucal, Oragon Sports TV at One Media TV 48 Naga. Now, ball possession, kanino kaya mapupunta? Now it will be on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Galano with the ball. Kung mapapansin mo nga Rick, during the elimination round, itong laro ng ating UNC Greyhounds and ACC Green Serpents was not their best. But now that we're on the quarterfinals, they need to do something about this. Now, Galano with a steal. for the UNC. Passes on the other side, mid-range, no good. Offensive rebound pa rin dito.
And a great steal on the side of the Amando Cope. And first point will go on the side of their team. Courtesy of jersey number 18 and their team captain, Mayor.
Now the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. With 14 seconds to shoot here. Now Mayor to inbound. Jersey number 17 now. A whistled foul. Para dito kay Galano. Bongo now on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Unang basket nga nakuha ng ating ACC Green Serpents. No good on that first free throw. Now Bongon for his second free throw. That's good. Now a 3-point lead here.
Comprado to inbound. Passing the ball to jersey number 23, Galano. They need a point conversion. And now jersey number 17, Samurin. Draw the first 2 points on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now ACC on the offense. Bongon passes jersey number 14. 12 seconds to shoot here. Decline.
Great steal on the side of the Greyhounds. And Galano. Libreng-libre on that layup.
Now Madrona tries for a 3-pointer, no good.
Steal again on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 24, heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to jersey number 0, Alano.
Ngayon, napakaganda ng pagpunto ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Ano kayo magiging sagot dito ng ACC Madrona? And ngayon naipasok na yung kanyang unang 3-pointer sa ating first quarter of the game here.
Now we are all tied up at 6. Comprado to Alano, but a traveling violation was called on him. So chance for the Green Serpents here to add their score.
Now, ito yung kailangan bawasan ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds if they really want to get this win against the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Iblugin passes to Bongon. Now to Madrona. To the other side, 14 seconds, Mayor, no good. Offensive rebound, pero nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds.
Alano with the ball possession, faking that one, and with no hesitation, another 2 points was converted on their side. Mayor, itatawid ang bola, passing the ball to Bongon. And in and out ball on that attempt. UNC Greyhound securing that rebound. Comprado looking for his teammate. Fires for that one, no good. Madrona securing the ball. Chance on the side of the Green Serpents.
Now, 2 puntos yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At grabe yung depensa na ipinapakita ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Kaya medyo nahihirapan dito yung kabilang kupunan para makakuha ng puntos. Now, Green Serpents on the offense. Madrona goes inside. And the foul was whistled. Para dito kay jersey number 17. Samurin of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Madrona, chance to tie the game here. First free throw. That's good. 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 7-8 on our scoreboard. Second free throw ni Madrona. Isa talaga dun sa nagpapakitang gilas dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents.
And now another deadlock para dito sa ating first quarter match. And jersey number 17, Samurin, with that layup.
Grabe dito mga players ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Lahat gumagalaw dito and a good communication from their side. And Alano nagkakagawan dito ng bola with a ACC player. Pero Madrona was there. Pero no good on that second chance.
UNC basketball, Comprado, looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Samurin, and now Gorobat, no good. Nice steal coming from the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor. Basket count, samahan pa yan ng foul.
And now, Mayor will be on the free throw line. 10 all dito sa ating talaan. And the bonus free throw will be given to Mayor. 3-point opportunity para sa kanilang side. No, talagang first quarter pa lang pero sobrang higpit na nung ipinapakitang depensa nitong ating dalawang kupunan. And talagang nagkakatalo doon sa kanilang opensang ipinapakita. Now, Mayor. Free throw. That's good. Having that 1-point lead against the UNC Greyhounds. Now, a steal from the side of the ACC. Pero a traveling violation committed on their side here. At dahil dyan, a timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining here, 11-10. Ngayon, talagang dikit na dikit yung mga laban natin dito sa ating quarterfinals. Just means na talagang lahat po ng players dito talagang gustong-gusto makuha yung kanilang panalo and to get on the semi-final round. At nakita naman po natin during the first games of our quarterfinals, talagang bigay todo itong ating mga teams. Kaya talagang aasahan po natin ang magandang laban between the ACC Green Serpents and the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range at Converge ICT Solution Incorporated and Ravenous Communication Incorporated. Thank you so much po.
Now we are back on the ball game here. Isang puntos na kalamangan po ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and we're just starting dito sa ating intense knockout game. Now UNC's basketball. Jersey number 7 now, Imperio. Now, Tugalano, heavily guarded here. Hindi pa nakakatawid ang bola. Pero grabe na yung bantay dito ng Madrona and jersey number 7, Vargas. Now, Galano. Passes here to Alano with 10 seconds to shoot. Uses that ball, but it will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, 7 seconds to shoot on the side of the Greyhounds here. Galano with the ball. Pero at traveling violation, yung tatawagan dito ng player ng UNC na si Galano. Now they need to lessen that kahit nasa first quarter pa lamang tayo. Now jersey number 6 tries for a long two, no good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 6 again to try. Will be a turnover. 3 seconds violation committed by Alicando. Now, Galano. No good. Nagmamadali dito ang mga players ng ECC and the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Alicando with the ball. Down to 15. Alicando. That's a foul. Converge. Tatawagan dyan. Now, Aringo. 12 seconds remaining. Serrano, no good.
Now chance for the Greyhounds to score. Alano passing the ball to his teammate. The ball is on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Greyhounds taking their time here. 8 seconds to shoot. Galano, muntik pang maagawan dito. And a crucial turnover on the side of the UNC. Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Now, Galano. Mamadali sa tres, no good. ACC on the offense now. Too much power on that pass. And low scoring pa rin po tayo dito sa ating first quarter. With that great defense coming from this both sides. Now UNC. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito para makuha yung kalamangan against the Green Serpents?
Lumberio heavily guarded here. Gorobat with that fast break sana. Pero whistle coming from our referee. 2 shots will be given to Gorobat.
Now, as we can see right now, both teams medyo nahihirapan dito sa opensa dahil napakaganda ng depensa na ginagawa dito ng ACC as well as the UNC Greyhounds. So talagang labanan dito sa ating playoffs yung pinapakita ng ating mga teams. Now, Gorobat for his second free throw. No good on that one. And defensive rebound, Alano having that second chance point. Now having that 2-point lead. Now, Mayor. Pass here to jersey number 9. A clean basket for a 3-pointer. Para dito kay Vidal. Natatawagan dito ng foul si Aringo. Penalty na yung ating UNC Greyhounds. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. 14-13, just a 1-point lead coming from the side of the Green Serpents.
Galano, itatabi ng bola para dito sa Greyhounds, passing the ball to Gorobat. Galano fires for that long 3. And 3 points para dito sa ating Greyhounds.
Now, they really need this. Most especially nasa first quarter pa lang tayo. Dapat mabuild na nila yung momentum na meron sila. Now, 2 free throws. After that whistled foul. Dito kay Gorobat. Vidal. Para sa dalawang free throw. As you can see right now. Napaka-tighten pa rin ng depensa ng ECC and UNC na talagang nahihirapan pumasok sa loob itong mga players from both sides. Now, Vidal for his second free throw. That's good. Deadlock on 16 all. UNC on the offense.
Alano. Naagawan pa nga ng bola dito. Now Mayor passing the ball to jersey number 8 but losing that one. UNC with that steal.
Ngayon, ACC on the offense. Anong gagawin nila? Passes on the corner. Tries for a three-pointer. No good.
Alana securing that rebound. Passing the ball to Menes. Now Greyhounds libreng-libre pero wasted opportunity on their side. Napakaganda sana nung paghanap doon ng tao on the side of their team but again hindi pumasok dito yung attempt na yon.
Now, Madrona back on the court here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ACC. Vidal. 5 seconds to shoot here. Pass to jersey number 8 in a traveling violation na kanina pa nagagawa dito from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. They need to lessen that. Most especially na very crucial yung ating puntos na yun dito. We are tied on 16 all.
Alano with the ball. Heavily guarded here. And a steal coming from Madrona.
And
That steal, Bongon. Gets that one in.
at ayan nga, malapit nang matapos ang ating first quarter. Pero grabe din yung pinapakitang performance dito ng UNC as well as the ACC Green Serpents. 2 puntos lamang ang kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents. But now, Alano will be on the free throw line here. Doon sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Galano leading the team. While on the other side, itong mga players ng ating ACC Green Serpents talagang equal. Lahat bumibigay at talagang pinapakita yung magandang depensa dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya kailangan nilang ding pag-igihan yung kanilang opensa dito. Now ACC. Chance to widen that gap here. Madrona passes to Bongon. Bongon ngayon goes inside. Di alintana yung tatlong guardia. Now jersey number 8 for a three-pointer. No good. At ngayon nga, ito na yung pagkakataon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Because as we can see, hindi talaga nakakagawa dito ng magandang play dahil doon sa mahigpit na depensa. And as we can see right now, still from the side of the ACC, Bongon passes to jersey number 8. Now on the other corner. Goes inside. No good.
And now UNC Greyhounds with that 2 points. 20 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Madrona fires for that long three. No good. Greyhounds with basketball.
7 seconds to shoot here. Nagmamadali dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds, and that will be the end of this quarter. Ending it. We are tied on 18 all. Napakagandang bakbakan po, kaya magbabalik kami sa ating second quarter of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa ating second match ngayong Saturday. It's the matchup between the UNC Greyhounds and the ACC Green Serpents. Abante nga po dito ng isa ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, ACC with the ball possession.
Now, Rick, balikan lang natin yung nangyari during the first quarter of the game. Ito nga ang ating dalawang kupunan. Medyo nahihirapan doon sa kanilang magandang gameplay kasi hindi pinapayagan na itong ACC as well as the UNC na makagawa ng mga pagpuntos dito. Ganyan po kahigpit yung depensang ipinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Nung kaya naman po, 18-19 pa rin po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Now, it will be the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Bongon with the ball. Passes here. Jersey number 9, Vidal. Madro na ngayon papasok sa loob. No good. And the foul. It's whistled here. So, Bongon will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Isa talaga itong si Bongon. Kanina pa sa first quarter, talaga nagpakita ng magandang laro dito. Belardo rather. Now for the second free throw. Belardo. Tied on 19 all. And offensive rebound dito, nagkakaagawa ng bola. And the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now UNC on the offense. 19 all.
And a foul was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Comprado to inbound. And now, I think ready na ditong mag-report ang courtside reporter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And now, Kyla, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Gino. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup since during the last quarter, there are lapses that are committed. Coach Badong reminds them to lessen it, lalo na sa kanilang depensa. Ika nga niya, be aggressive on your defense and don't hesitate to give the best shot and have the sense of urgency. Pag inakuha sa opensa, bawiin sa depensa. Napansin nga ng coaches na may hesitation sa players kung paano nila may execute ng maayos ang kanilang game system. And they remind the players to always stay content at lagi magsigurado sa bawat galaw na gagawin sa loob ng court. Unang update sa side ng ACC Serpents. Sa inyo,
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, lahat ng galaw dito ng ACC Green Serpents kailangan sigurado. And on that last sequence, 3-pointer nga po yung nagawa dito ng ating Green Serpents. And of course, less error, less turnover yung kailangan nila dito. At talagang pinag-iigihan nila yung laro nila. And talagang nagbibigay sila doon sa kanilang offense as well as on the defense. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds hindi rin bumibitaw sa magandang laro ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Kung kaya, titignan natin kung ano nga mga adjustment nila dito sa ating second quarter. At to hear the update, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Scene, as we wrap up the first quarter, maganda ang naging takbo ng laban para sa UNC Greyhounds, resulting in their lead against the ACC Green Serpents. As for the second quarter, the Greyhounds is looking forward into tightening their defense and to lessen the turnovers to keep the pressure on the Serpents. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Casey, for that update. UNC Greyhounds, kailangan nila ditong bumawi because abante dito ng tatlo ang kupunan ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, UNC with the ball possession. And a great steal para dito kay Mayor. ACC ang may dala ng bola. Madrona forcing that one, no good. Wala pa din. Now chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Back-to-back steal para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Mayor passing the ball. But a traveling violation was called on their side, so the ball possession will go on the side of the Greyhounds.
At ayan nga, Rick, ito pala yung sinasabi dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents na kailangan bawasan nila yung kanilang errors dito and turnovers. At ngayon nga, yun nangyari dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At talagang ramdam natin. Second quarter pa lang, napaka-intense na yung laban. At talagang napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng ating mga players. Kung kaya titignan natin after the timeout, what will happen here, most especially sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, dahil 3 puntos po yung kanilang hinahabol against the ACC Green Serpents. So of course, gusto lang din nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors ngayong hapon na ito. Maraming salamat po sa Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours at NCF V Gallery and Museum. And of course, Rick, shoutout din tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nanonood. Shoutout po kay Janayla Basales, Jameson Brenya, kay Kim Monteroso, Marniala Berido, kay James Angelo Gabarda, at sa lahat po ng nakatutok sa atin. And we also have Mr. J.M. Jacob and Ma'am Irene Tosok. Now back on the ball game.
UNC Basketball. Jersey number 7, Lumberio heavily guarded here. Now Galano. Great steal coming from Mayor, and now Madrona getting that one in at samahan pa yan ng foul.
No, Madron na talaga yung nagdadala dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Great contribution para sa kanilang kupunan dito. 24-19. Now, Madrona for a 3-point play here. In and out ball. Now, UNC on the offense. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito to lessen that gap of the ACC Green Serpents? Now, passes on the inside, losing it. But it will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 9 seconds remaining on the shot clock of the UNC. Now, Galano passes to jersey number 8. Back to Galano for a 3-pointer. No good. And another chance para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Sila yung naghahabol dito ng 5 puntos. And of course, shoutout din tayo sa mga nanonood ng live kay Roderick Santillan, Nian Ron, kay Judel Is Bukirin at kay Kim. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay at sa ating 182 live viewers. Now, Alano will be on the free throw line here for 2 shots. 6 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. 24-19 on our scoreboard. Now for the second free throw of Alano. No good, pero an offensive rebound para dito kay Gorobat, having that second chance point. Now, ano pang bawi dito ng ACC Green Serpents? Bongod, passes to Madrona. Releases a 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Serrano naman, wala pa rin. Pero whistle foul, tatawagan dito si Serrano.
And now, UNC Basketball. Comprado. Wrong man ang napasahan dito. That's why ACC with the ball possession. UNC basketball. Comprado, heavily guarded here.
But that will be a backcourt violation para dito sa ating UNC. Medyo napapadami na dito yung mga turnovers nitong ating dalawang kupunan na kailangan na ng bawasan. 26-21, a 5-point lead coming from the side of the ACC. Now, heavily guarded here. Mayor passes to Bongon. Now Bongon goes inside. Passes to the outside. No good on that three-pointer. Now chance here for the UNC. Galano. What a good assist. Pero foul yung itatawag on that last sequence. Serrano yung tatawagan muli ng foul na yan.
Menace on that free throw opportunity para dito sa UNC, but unfortunately no good on that first attempt.
Now we're halfway through this first half. And Menace, kahit yung mga free throws nila, kailangan nilang maipasok dito. Most especially, sila yung nagkahabol dito against the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Green Serpents on the offense. Mayor with the ball. Madrona again. Wala pa rin. Alano with that rebound. Heavily guarded here. Alano fires for a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 18. To Galano. Now goes inside. And that will be a point here coming from Alano. After that, lots of opportunities on their side.
And now ACC with the ball possession. Madrona forcing that one at makakakuha ulit ng puntos para sa kanilang koponan.
That was an easy point coming from Madrona and a steal from Mayor. Bongon, back to Mayor. 18 seconds to shoot here, taking their time. Madrona, Iblugin, step back for three, no good. UNC on the offense now, loses it. And a chance for the ACC to widen that gap here. And they are now on the penalty. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Now Iblugin to Mayor. Belardo to Iblugin. Now goes inside. On the corner para dito kay Bongon. No good. Mamadali dito ang Greyhounds. But the whistled foul.
Now, a free throw opportunity para dito kay Menace. 4-point lead ang hawak ng ACC dito. 4 na puntos ang kailangang habulin.
Menace again. No good on that one. Now ACC on the offense. Tries for a three. Medyo nagmamadali na itong ating dalawang kupunan dito. Now ACC, jersey number 7, Vargas, long three. Wala pa rin sa opensa dito. We're stuck on 28-24.
Now Galano. Traveling violation ang itatawag dito. Another turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
And with that, a timeout. was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents because kung mapapansin niyo po, medyo mabilis yung mga galawan dito ng both players ng ating UNC Greyhounds and the ACC Green Serpents. At siguro, isa din sa magiging payo dito ng dalawang kupunan, talagang siguraduhin na yung mga ball possession na meron sila dito ay talagang papasok and they will convert it into a point dahil kung ngayon nga po, 28-24, we're stuck on that score with 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. So after this timeout, let's see what will be the adjustment on both sides. And doon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds dahil sila po yung naghahabol ngayon sa ating quarterfinal matchup against the ACC Green Serpents.
And back to the ball game. Let's see kung magkakaroon na ba ang dalawang koponan na ito ng point conversion. And thank you sa ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Duty Free Philippines shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Back to the ball game.
ACC's basketball with a 4-point lead here. Mayor passes here to jersey number 7, back to 8. Down to 8 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin para sa opensa. Tries one more time. And for the third time, let's see if the ACC Green Serpents can convert a point here. Pero after that third opportunity, traveling violation po yung naitawag dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, chance for the Greyhounds here to score at para pababain dito ang kalamangang hawak ng kanilang kalaban. Galano, itatawid ang bola, heavily guarded by the 2 Green Serpents. And the ball will go on the side of the Green Serpents because of that good defense shown on the side of the Green Serpents.
Nakikita natin yung magandang depensa ng ating ACC Green Serpents, pero pagdating sa kanilang opensa, medyo nahihirapan sila dito. But let's see as we continue this matchup at a point coming from Lumberio. Adjusting the score into just a 2-point lead here of the ACC. Now jersey number 9, Vidal, a big 3. At talagang pagkatapos ng maraming pagkakataon na hindi na ipasok, a 3-pointer coming from Vidal. Yung nagpabago dito sa opensa ng ACC Green Serpents.
Alano securing that one, passing the ball to his teammate, pero wala pa din dito on the side of the Greyhounds.
Green Serpents now on the offense. At nasa penalty na rin po sila dito. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. Now Mayor passes to jersey number 7. Now Eda to Vargas, back to Eda. 10 seconds to shoot here. Vidal again, no good this time. UNC gets that ball possession. Nagmamadali dito, but it will be a turnover again. Ilan na kaya yung turnover na nagawa dito ng UNC and ACC Green Serpents? Last 49 seconds of the first half. Vargas inbound, 31-26 here. Lahat ng players dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents talagang nagpakitang gilas. No good at that step back 3 of the ACC.
Now, basketball ngayon ng UNC. Alano. Again, the defense on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Anong gagawin dito? Loses it. Jersey number 17 was there to get that ball. Mid-range jumper, no good. Gorabat was there for a second chance point. Talagang ginagawa ng paraan dito. Now, with the last 6 seconds. No good on that one. And one more time. Pero hindi pa rin naipasok dyan sa side ng ating Green Serpents. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 31-28 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. We will be back for more actions.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
We are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng second half ng bakbakang Green Serpents and UNC Greyhounds. Now, ang naiwan nga natin na score is 31-28 in favor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. So ano kayang gagawin dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds to bounce back because napaka-crucial po ng third and final quarter dito sa larong ito.
At yun nga, Rick, andito na sa atin yung ating halftime analysis. At nasabi nga natin kanina na napakadami po nung turnover na nagawa nitong ating dalawang kupunan. As we can see right now on the record, meron pong 23 turnovers para sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, while 15 turnovers naman po sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Pero nagawa ng paraan ng ating ACC Green Serpents yung maraming turnovers na yun, kung kaya nasa kanila po yung kalamangan ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, ang dami ding second chance points yung nagawa dito ng ACC Green Serpents. But let's see now on the second half of the game na kailangan talaga nilang iwasan yung mga turnovers nila dito, most especially na nasa crucial moment na po tayo ng laro. Now, Gurobat, no good on that last sequence. Nagkakagon dito ng bola, but Madrona has it. Passes to Mayor. Now, we'll try. And that's a good point para dito kay Bongon. Madron. Now, with this record of our halftime analysis, ito yung kailangan na baguhin itong ating UNC Greyhounds and the ACC Green Serpents. Mas paigtingin yung kanilang defense dito, pero also work on their offense right now. Now, still ball possession of the ACC. Bongo na having that a lot of opportunities on the side of the Green Serpents.
Medyo nalalamangan talaga dito when it comes to the offense ang side ng UNC Greyhounds because napakaganda din sana dito ng mga ginagawa nilang rebound. But their offense talagang medyo sumasablay dito. Yan ang kailangan nila ditong pag-igihan if they want to chase itong hindi pa naman gaano kalaking kalamangan. So, dapat on their every ball possession, kailangan nila magkaroon ng point conversion if they want to chase the lead na hawak ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. Because at this moment, ACC Green Serpents is taking advantage sa pagiging rattle dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, to hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Casey. Hi, Casey. Anong balita dyan?
Ayan nga.
Rick and Drew, as we head into the third quarter, the ACC Green Serpents have taken over the lead, but the UNC Greyhounds remain determined to fight back. During their huddle, Coach Alban advises players to stick on their game plan to focus on efficient ball movement and to maximize scoring opportunities. He also added to use their height advantage upang takutin at bigyan ng pressure ang kalaban. He also made it clear saying, hindi sa lahat ng oras pwede nyong idaan sa bilis kung gusto nyong manalo, which aims to slow down the pace of the game and regain control. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayun nga, napakaganda dahil napansin din talaga natin during the first half of the game na medyo nagmamadali itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Kaya ngayon, they need to make sure that every ball possession counts para sa kanilang kupunan. Most especially now dahil lumalaki na po yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, focus sa kanilang opensa as well as the defense. Now, let's see on the other side of things kung ano nga ba yung maging adjustment dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents sa ating third quarter of the game. And see here an update. Andiyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Chin. We are now on the second half of this game. We've witnessed an intense quarter and we can see the eagerness of each step to get the advantage. During the huddle, Coach Padong reminds them that they need to have a good ball rotation each time. Pag hawak na ang bola, huwag magmamadali sa opensa dahil doon sila nagkakaproblema. They need to stay on their composure because they are being pressured by the opponent. He also reminds the team that they should not be complacent dahil ikat ang laban. They should play smarter this time. Yun muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So yun nga, nagkakatalo dito ang dalawang kupunan because of the fast plays. Kaya naman medyo hindi dito na ipapasok yung mga opensa. So they need to slow down things at paunti-unti kumuha ng magandang momentum. And speaking of that good offense, ACC Green Serpents with that point conversion.
Now a double-digit lead of the ACC Green Serpents. 40-29, an 11-point lead here. Now, anong gagawin dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds dahil kahit nga nasabi na dito sa side nila na kailangan they need to take time with their ball possession, talagang medyo mabibilis talaga itong ating players ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But give thanks doon sa last sequence na nagawa ni Alano, making it a 9-point lead here. Now, let's see. Serrano passes to Iblugi, now to Madrona. 12 seconds to shoot, pero miscommunication yung nagawa dyan.
Now, Greyhounds with the ball possession, Alano. With that turn, offensive rebound para dito sa ating Greyhound side. Now it's their chance to get a point. But again, still on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Wow. Napakaganda ng pinapakita ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. They want to make sure na mapapasa kanila ang spot na yon on to the semis.
Pero hindi pa tayo dyan sure, Rick, because third quarter, napakadami pang pwedeng mangyari at meron pa tayong desiring quarter. Kaya naman ang dami pa pong chances ng ating UNC Greyhounds to do their best and to double their effort now dahil nga quarterfinals na at semifinals na po ang ating pinag-uusapan after this playoffs. Now, Bongo, no, the free throw line here. 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. 40-31 sa ating scoreboard at siyam na puntos po yung hawak ngayon na kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now let's see here. That's good, making it again a 10-point lead.
Now UNC needs to maximize every ball possession that they have. But the ball will remain on their side. 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. Now UNC, that's the thing na kailangan nilang pag-igihan dito, ang magagandang opensa.
Kahit mabibilis, talagang sigurado sila na may papasok yung bola. Now, let's see kung ano pambawi dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Nagmamadali dito. Bongo now with the ball, heavily guarded by Alano. Serrano now goes inside. Apat na players ng UNC. Pero nakuha niya pa rin yung kanyang puntos dyan. Now, Serrano with that steal. Now again. Pero that will be a traveling violation. Medyo na-excite dito si Serrano. And a timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And as we can see right now, back to 10-point lead. 5 minutes and 41 seconds remaining.
And we will be right back after this short break.
are back for the continuation of our third quarter. We're almost halfway through this quarter at 10 puntos po ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents na kailangang habulin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, it's their ball possession. Jersey number 17 now, Samorin. And the whistled foul.
And now, Samorin on the free throw line for an opportunity para mabawasan dito. Ang kailangan nilang habulin and a clean basket on that first attempt. 9-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng kanilang kalaban. And now, Madrona itatawid ang bola. And a great steal para dito sa Serpents. Serrano. And again, this tough boy. Talagang sinisigurado ditong napakaganda ng ginagawang offense on their side. Talagang every ball possession counts para dito kay Serrano. Now, substitution for both squad. 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining para sa ating pangatlong quarter. Now, UNC Greyhounds needs to bounce back para dito sa ating natitirang 4 na minuto. No good. And a steal para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents courtesy of Bongon. Madrona. Fires for that long three, no good. Greyhounds with the basketball. And a good basket on that last sequence para dito sa ating Greyhounds.
Now ACC on the offense now. Nagmamadali dito. Bongo to Serrano. Serrano heavily guarded. But a pushing foul was called to Gorobat. Grabe talagang bantay sarado nila dito si Serrano. Now, still ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents here, having that 9-point lead. Now, Mayor to inbound.
Ayan, pasalamatan din natin ang presensya ng mga fans dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga GYMNASIUM. Siyempre, ang UNC Pep Squad talagang always present every time may laro itong Greyhounds.
Galano to inbound. Medyo tahimik dito si Galano for the third quarter of the game here. Now, ACC on the offense. Maringo with that rebound. Now heavily guarded here. Madrona with the ball. Passes to the other side. Mayor hahanap din dito. 10 seconds to shoot here. Madrona to the other side. Fires for a 3. No good, Serrano. Another whistled foul. Now Serrano on the free throw line here for 2 shots. UNC now on the penalty. 46-36. No good. And Alano with that rebound. Sa mo rin ngayon, buhay na buhay pa rin ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Pero medyo hindi nagkaunawan doon. So it will be a turnover. Napapadami na naman ulit yung mga turnover dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now ACC, Serrano. Pero still, from Samorin, UNC on the offense now. Nagmamadali dito. Declined. One more time. At nakuha na nga ng UNC yung puntos na yan. Now, Green Serpents. Rejected here. This is what the third quarter looks like. UNC nabuhayan muli dahil doon sa napakagandang ipinapakita nila dito ngayon. Jersey number 8. Passes to Alano. Goes inside. Back-to-back points for the UNC Greyhounds. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's take a look at it again. Alano. Talagang hindi pinabayaan na yung kanilang napakagandang laro dyan. At dahil po sa sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng ating UNC Greyhounds na ibaba na sa 6 ang kalamangan against the ACC Green Serpents.
Again, 46-40 on our scoreboard. At medyo na ididikit na nga dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds ang ating scoreboard. And of course, tuwang-tuwa dito ang UNC community because of the performance here sa ating third quarter. Nawaabangan natin dito kung patuloy ba nga arangkada itong UNC at para makuha na din ang kalamangan dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
At ayan nga po, aabangan po natin ang mga laban ng mga susunod dito. Of course, mamaya po for our last game, it's the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. Yung lumaban po doon sa ating finals season 5. Ayan nga, napakaganda nung laban ng ACC at Annunciation. Pero ngayon po, magtatapat sila sa quarterfinals, which is very hard kasi itong dalawang kupunan na ito ay talagang malalakas. Pero isa lang yung pwedeng pumunta sa ating semifinal. Kaya abangan nyo po yung matitinding bakbakan po natin for our playoffs. But now, the ACC Green Serpents still on the lead here. "12 seconds to shoot here. Bongon passes to Mayor. Back to Bongon. Down to 5 seconds. Goes inside. Tries. No good. Pero overstood foul.
Now Bongon on that free throw line for an opportunity again on their side. No good para sa unang attempt. Kailangan maging maingat dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds because every error or foul na magagawa nila dito talaga namang magkakaroon ng free throw opportunity itong ACC Green Serpents because now they are on the penalty situation.
Now, Madrona back on the court for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 47-40 now. Titignan natin if the UNC Greyhounds can lessen this gap. And the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Greyhounds with the ball possession. And it goes on their side again, the ball possession. Muntik pang maagaw dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Greyhounds fights for that one, and that's good. 3 points on that last sequence.
Now, 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Iblugin passes to Mayor. Now to Medrano. Tries for a three-pointer, no good.
Offensive rebound para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Pero was the foul, the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Serrano on the free throw line. A minute and 10. And he gets that first free throw. Just needs another one to complete his free throw here.
Ayaw talaga ditong pahabulin ng ating Green Serpents ang Greyhounds na 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Ball possession ng Greyhounds. Galano passing the ball to his teammate. No good on that 3-point attempt. Last minute of our third quarter. Mayor, itatawid ang bola.
Now
7 seconds to shoot.
Lulugin with the ball. Mid-range jumper, no good. Now, UNC, naagawan dito ng bola. But Samorin secure that one. Galano now with the ball. 29 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Galano releases a 3. No good. Madrona with that rebound. 19 seconds remaining. Now Madrona again. But a foul was whistled. And we will have a 3 free throws here. 49-43. Tatawagan nga dyan ng foul si jersey number 8 ng UNC Greyhounds na si Comprado. Now, Madrona, 3 free throws will be granted for him. Now, as we're approaching the end of the third quarter, the UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort now dahil papalapit na yung ating fourth and last quarter of this playoff matchup.
Madrona. No good on that second attempt. 12 seconds remaining para dito sa pangatlong quarter. 50-43 on our scoreboard. A 7-point lead. Dagdagan pa ng isa. And now, Greyhounds with the ball possession. 10 seconds remaining. And a traveling violation, crucial violation on the side of the Greyhounds because sila ang naghahabol dito.
No good on that attempt. At dyan nga po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. At aabangan po natin sa fourth and last quarter kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng panalo at papasok sa ating semi-final round only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
we are back here sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup ng Serpents and Greyhounds. We are now on the fourth and deciding quarter. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran? It's either on the side of the Serpents or the Greyhounds. Now, ball possession ng Greyhounds. Heavily guarded here. Now, Galano, long three, no good. Mayor securing that ball. Greyhounds with the ball possession. Wala pa din para dito sa Greyhounds. Offensive rebound. Now Galano on the other side of court. And that's good. Now, ACC with the ball possession. And a 3 points para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds to loosen up. At again, hindi pa po nakukuha dito ng UNC Greyhounds ang kalamangan sa ating laro. So kailangan nila ditong magdoble effort. And on the other side of things, Serpents, ano kaya ang gagawin pa dito to secure their spot on our Final Four? Now, Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. Hawak pa rin nga ng ACC Green Serpents ang kalamangan. But there's no room for complacency this time dahil meron pang natitirang oras. Last reminder ni Coach Badong, huwag nang sasayangin ang pagkakataon. They need to win this game in order to advance to the semi-final round. Dagdag pa ni Coach, this is the way for them to defend their title as the champion last season. Ang tanong, will they continue to dominate this game? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, abalik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yan nga ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang bigay todo na dito. Sabi nga dito sa kanilang side, no room for complacency. Dahil deciding quarter na po ang meron tayo ngayon. Of course, they need this to defend their title as the champions of the Bucal Season 5. And as for the side of the UNC Greyhounds, marami pang chances, ang dami pang oras na pwede nilang gawin. At talaga namang gagawin din talaga yan ng UNC Greyhounds para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. And to hear an update from the side of the Greyhounds, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Tina, we are now on the last quarter of this game. It's the fourth quarter and the Greyhounds have to give their best shot upang makabawi sa laro. This final quarter is crucial for the Greyhounds dahil this is their last chance upang ibalik ang kanilang momentum at makahabol sa kalamangan ng Green Serpents. During their huddle, Coach Alban advised the team to slow down their pace, focus on executing their plays, and capitalize on every scoring opportunities. All eyes are on the Greyhounds. Will they be able to clinch a spot on the semi-finals? Abangan natin yan right here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that, Casey. Yun nga. And UNC Greyhounds, kailangan ditong mag-focus because again, meron pa rin pumapal yung mga opensa dito. Nasasayang yung mga rebound na nagagawa nila. Let's see kung magkakaroon ng adjustment dito ang players ni Coach. And another foul was called on Madrona. Nakakailang foul na itong si Madrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kaya ilalabas muna siya dito. Now, UNC Basketball. Gorobat. And now Greyhounds with the ball possession. Fires for that one. No good. And rebound on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, 57-46, inilabas nga po si Madrona dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At isa po siya sa pinaka-importanting players on the side of the Green Serpents. Kaya naman, ano kaya yung maging adjustment dito sa side ng ACC? Ngayon na wala munang Madrona sa loob ng court nila. Of course, I think they needed him on the crucial minutes of the game here. But now, Serrano, 13 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Mayor, pero nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds. Nagmamadali dito. Alano. Ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At ngayon nga po, kailangan na nilang gawin yung lahat dito. Most especially the UNC Greyhounds na sila yung naghahabol. Now, 14 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 7, Lumberio, no good on that one. But it is still the ball possession of the Greyhounds here. A lot of opportunities kailangan dito sa mga oportunidad na inaibibigay sa UNC Greyhounds ay nagagawa na nila ng pagkakataon at puntos dito. Because we're almost halfway. Napakabilis lang po ng oras dito sa ating final quarter. But now, Bongon, libre na libre. Adding a point here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Gurubad passes to Alano. 7-minute mark of the last quarter here. Alano loses it, but it will be on the side of the ACC. Now jersey number 7 to inbound.
Mayor passing the ball to his teammate. 15 to shoot. Serrano, no good. Gorobat with that rebound. And that's good para dito sa ating Greyhound side. We are halfway through para tapusin itong laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito, but no good para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. At napahawak nga dito si Gorobat sa kanyang ulo because of that wasted opportunity. Now, ACC basketball, or rather UNC basketball. 19 out of 24. And that's good. 3 points para dito sa ating Greyhound side. Ito na ba ang paghabol na gusto ng ating Greyhounds? Serrano forcing that one. And Serrano delivers. Back to ACC with that offensive rebound. UNC nagagawan dito ng bola. Now Galano.
Now a 10-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Now Samurin to inbound. Passes to jersey number 8 now. 15 seconds to shoot here. What will they do? At ayun nga po, Alano was there to get that point. Naibaba sa 8 puntos. Iblugin ngayon, nagmamadali. Passes to Serrano. Serrano goes inside, but a traveling violation. Ngayon, mukhang ito na yung pagkakataon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. They need to take advantage of this lost opportunity on the side of the ACC. Now, 5 minutes and 16. Alano with the ball. 8-point lead. Now Samurin, a 3-pointer. Clean basket. That's what we're talking about earlier in the game. Ito yung kailangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And with this one, 5 puntos na labang po yung hinahabol ng UNC. Now, as we can see on the screen, the UNC community talagang kabado na po dito. Dahil 4 minutes, 5-minute mark na lamang po tayo sa ating fourth quarter. At 5 puntos ang hinahabol ngayon dito. Now, it's an intense game between these two teams. Mayor babawi dito. Talagang they really need to make sure na hindi makukuha ng UNC Greyhounds yung kalamangan dito. Now, Alano again. No good this time.
Mayor with that rebound. And now, Serpents. Hindi nakuha ang bolang yon. So, chance for the side of the Greyhounds here. Galano with the ball. And now, the steal para dito kay Mayor. Back-to-back steal for both teams. And 2 free throw shot para dito kay jersey number 16 on the side of the Greyhounds.
Ngayon, medyo nagmamadali na naman itong ating UNC Greyhounds. No good on that first free throw of jersey number 16, Salanga. 63-56, they need this. That's good for a second free throw. 6 yung hinahabol nila dito. Gorobat back on the court para sa Greyhounds. Now, ACC on the offense. Now, Bongon goes inside, tries, whistled foul. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Now, first free throw. That's good. 4-minute mark. Ito yun nga po, medyo mabilis yung oras natin, pero napakaganda pa rin po ng ating labanan dito. Now, Bongon for his second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Bongon. UNC on the offense.
Galano heavily guarded here. And a wasted opportunity para dito sa Greyhounds.
Yan, medyo nagmamadali talaga itong ating UNC Greyhounds doon na kailangan nila ng communication sa lahat ng players na nasa loob ng court. Now, Bongon, no good. Belardo, pero nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds. Samorin, nagmamadali na naman, pero this time, they got the basket. And nasa rin the gap against the ACC Green Serpents. No good on that one. Now, jersey number 8. Pero, good opportunity sa side ng UNC Greyhounds.
Greyhounds with the basketball. No good. And now ACC will try. And a great connection on that last play.
Ito yung kulang sa UNC Greyhounds. Now that's an sportsmanlike foul. Tawag dito kay Mayor. 2 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. 67:59. Kahit dun sa mga free throw, hindi pa na ipapasok ng ating UNC Greyhounds. They all need the free throws na meron sila ngayon. Mas lalo na medyo malaki yung kanilang hinahabol against the ACC Green Serpents. But on the second free throw, nakuha na din yan. And it's still the ball possession of the Greyhounds.
"14 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. 10 to shoot. Napakaganda ng depensa pero makakalusot dito ang kapensang yon ng ating Greyhounds. 7-point lead. Madrona nagmamadali and gets that one in. Greyhounds with the ball possession. No good. Madrona one more time. And now Madrona on that free throw line for an opportunity. Both teams are now on the penalty situation. Eight-point lead. Let's see kung madadagdagan ba dito. And yun nga, another point conversion. Greyhounds on the offense. Last 2 minutes of the game. And a great steal para dito kay Mayor.
Now, ACC still on the lead here. 9 points yung hawak nila ngayon. Now, Bongon goes inside. Tries. No good. Offensive rebound pero nakakagawa ng bola. Bongon and Gorobat. But the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 14 seconds to shoot. Nagmamadali, Bongon. Nakuha pa yung puntos na yan. And with that, the timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, with that 11-point lead and the remaining time of 1 minute and 34 seconds, the only thing that the UNC Greyhounds can do right now is to maintain their defense para hindi na madagdagan yung puntos na ginagawa ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Both teams are now on the penalty. (73-62). Of course, gusto lang din naming pasalamatan ang ating live viewers sa ating Facebook Live na Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout po dito kay Donna Fe Sarmiento, kay Andre Herolao, kay Rosie Deo Careza, kay Zalazar Burse Marivic, kay Christine James Bicalan, at kay Lizden Habala and Ronel Aven. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now we are back on the ball game here.
One minute and 34 seconds remaining for our game. And still, on top ay ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Maya-maya po for our fourth and final match. We have the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACC Green Serpents on our seniors division. Napakaganda ring matchup. Maya-maya kaya tutok po tayong lahat dito sa Oragon Sports TV.
Now, UNC with a steal. Pero, the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. A minute and 14 seconds remaining here. And still on the lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Seconds na lamang ang tira dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 9. Passes to Mayor. Now to Bongon. Now Bongon will be on the free throw line here for 2 shots. At kung maipasok pa ni Bongon itong dalawang free throws, eh talagang medyo mahihirapan na yung ating UNC Greyhounds na mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But no good on that first free throw of Bongon. Now let's see on the second one. That's good para dito sa kanyang pangalawang free throw.
And we are down to our last minute of the match. Ten-point lead ang kailangan ditong ihabol at trabahuhin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And on the other side of things, ACC Green Serpents needs to be consistent at this moment.
Now Mayor. 12 seconds remaining. Goes around, no good. UNC now on the offense. Pero matatawagan pa dyan ang foul. Belardo with that foul. And we only have 35 seconds remaining with a 10-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, this is a very hard setup na para sa ating UNC Greyhounds dahil 10 puntos na kalamangan at 35 seconds na lamang po ang kanilang mayroon sila dito, kaya we're only waiting for the confirmation, and the only thing that the UNC Greyhounds can do right now is to lessen that gap at mas paigtingin pa nila yung kanilang depensa sa natitirang 35 seconds of this matchup.
No good on that first attempt para dito kay Gorobat. And now let's see on his second try kung makakakuha ba ng puntos and game basket for him. And a timeout was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And shout out naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out dito kay Jay Botilo, Edwin Belardo, Salazar Burse Marivic at kay Tita Berses and Andre Herolao. Maraming salamat po.
And of course sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, shoutout po kay James Angelo Gabarda, kay Jameson Brenya, Kim Monteroso, Janaila Basales, kay Irene Toso, kay JM Jacob, at kay Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po. And of course, kay Kim Monteroso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Again, back to the ball game. Shoutout po kay Sir Kim Monteroso, our technical director. Thanks for your hard work.
Now, 35 seconds remaining. ACC on the offense now. Mayor. With the ball. Nagmamadali pa rin dito. 15 seconds to shoot here. Iblugin. The passes to Bongon. Bongon goes inside. Tries. No good. We only have 14 seconds. And still a good matchup between the UNC and the ACC Green Serpents. Pero sa 8 segundong natitira pong yan, I think it's all clear that the team that will advance to the semi-final round is our defending champion, ACC Green Serpents. Again, congratulations sa ating UNC Greyhounds and ACC Green Serpents for giving us a good fight this afternoon. We will be back para makilala po ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences. At ngayon po, semi-final bout na po ang ating ACC Green Serpents. At kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 17, Nathan Bongon, with 21 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 5 steals. Now, congratulations again, Nathan. Pero ano ba yung naging adjustment ninyo against the UNC Greyhounds?
Focus lang po talaga kami sa defense para po maka-convert ng puntos po.
Ngayon, napakataas kasi nung sa inyo ng mga tao because you're the defending champion. So ngayon po, para sa ating semi-final round, ano pa yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents to get on the championship round?
Mas magpo-focus po kami sa training at iigihan pa po namin ng teamwork tsaka chemistry po. Tsaka makikinig lang po kay coach para manalo po.
Ayan, dahil kayo ang best player of the game, this is your chance to shout out for your family and supporters.
Binabalik ko po pala ang aking pamilya na nanood po, na andyan. Tsaka po ang ACC community, kay Coach Alter, tsaka po sa mga sumusuporta sa ACC, tsaka po sa aking mga teammates, coaches. Salamat po. Tsaka po sa mga tropa ko po.
Yan, again, congratulations. That's our best player of the game, jersey number 17, Nathan Bongon. Brought to you by Lemon Residences.
At yun nga po, nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than Bongon. What an amazing basketball game ang natukhayan natin on that last game against the UNC Greyhounds and the ACC Green Serpents. At maya-maya po abangan natin ang bakbakan on our seniors division. It's between the Panthers and the Green Serpents. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.